Today, we're diving into the world of VR comfort and stability with the Elite Strap replacement for Meta Oculus Quest 3. Designed to provide an unparalleled gaming experience, this head strap accessory boasts some impressive features. First off, let's talk about comfort. The advanced PU leather cushions offer a softer and more breathable experience, reducing facial pressure and heat buildup during those intense gaming sessions. Plus, with its even weight distribution and adjustable knob, this strap ensures a snug fit for players of all head sizes. But comfort is just one piece of the puzzle. Stability is equally important, especially when you're fully immersed in your virtual world. The stable and convenient flip design prevents any unwanted wobbling or loosening, keeping your headset securely in place. And speaking of convenience, the ability to flip the Quest 3 headset without removing the head strap is a game changer. No more interruptions to grab a sip of water or check out your surroundings. Durability is also a key factor to consider, and this head strap doesn't disappoint. Crafted from upgraded polymer material, it has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand 15,000 bending cycles without compromising its stability. And despite its sturdy build, it remains lightweight and portable, weighing in at just 210 grams. Whether you're storing it away or taking it on the go, it fits seamlessly into official carrying cases and most market-available cases. Overall, the Elite Strap replacement for Meta Oculus Quest 3 delivers on its promises of enhanced comfort, stability, and convenience. So if you're ready to take your VR experience to the next level, this is definitely a worthy investment. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.